Dear students, continuing our IELTS learning series. In this video, we will be presenting some of the vocabularies which you can use to express your emotions and feeling, my dear students. Here I am going to use 4 words like happy, angry, confused and sad. In IELTS, we need to use different vocabularies to score higher banding. So that's what, for happy, you can use the word amused, delighted, glad, joyful, and pleased. Even you can use content, charmed, grateful, my dear student. Likewise, for confused, we can use doubtful, uncertain, hesitant. Like for the angry, you can use annoyed, sore, furious, upset, irritated. Likewise, for the word sad, for sad you can use depressed, desperate, dejected, upset, weepy. So my dear students, so try to use different vocabulary, learn more vocabularies. To learn vocabularies, you can contact Mercy Education, my dear students. We are running special IELTS vocabulary classes as well. So my dear students, hope this video will be fruitful for you in learning vocabulary. So stay in touch and follow us for more such IELTS related contents. Thank you very much.